crazy takes over. I'm gonna get wild, twisted, crazy, put my hands to the flames. I'm gonna get wild, every second till it drives me insane. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild. Twisted, crazy, put my hands to the flames. I'm gonna get wild every second till it drives me insane. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild. I'm gonna get wild. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild. I'm gonna get wild, 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 wild.
My dearest Huggy, from hearting all of my social media posts to standing in front of the altar promising a life together. This is how our story started.
Always fire, always storm. Always through the clouds move. On and on, and on and on.
Most basic understanding and definition of love diya sa kami niyoon mao nga to will the good of the other person. Lucille, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kaugaling kabubuton anong pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diya sa paghigugma o pag-alagad sa imong bana?
Oh, Padre.
Saint, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kaugaling kabubuton anong pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diya sa paghigugma o pag-alagad sa imong asawa?
O Padre.
Move on and on and on. On and on, and on and
I'm not a perfect girlfriend and will never be a perfect wife, so don't expect. But one thing I'm sure and I can promise you, I will be the kind of wife you'll ever need.
As we set sail to married life, I will make sure nga usa ko sa rason sa imong happiness. Nga dili pun-an ang labad sa imong ulo, labi na kong naanay klase.
Thank you for your patience and more importantly, for the respect you have given me and for my choices.
I promise nga dili ko mapulan nga tun-an og i-discover imong pagkatao ug sabton kag maayo labi na sa times nga dili ka masabtan.
We can now go wherever we want to go without pahirapan sa pagpananghid. We can now do whatever we want to do.
Kay bawta nga daghan pa jud tag magian, pero pwede jud ni nato ma-compare kung magduwa ta og Mobile Legends na maabot jud nato ang victory kung mag-teamwork jud ta. Ingon pagani si Laila, we can do it. Thank you. Ug I love you, Lucille Angeli Magahod.
Always been you. Like the starlight painted in the sky. What we have won't fade into the night. Every touch you bring me back to life. Oh, you do, you always do. It's always been you.
And lastly, I thank the Lord for giving you to me. Kabalujit si Lord that you are all that I need. You are my answered prayer. I love you, my huggy. Now, my huggy. See you later, palangga.